I was on the governing board of the South Florida Water Management District in 1986 when it passed the resolution authorizing the demonstration project, and the modeling that led was the first step in the Kissimmee River Restoration. This is a ribbon cutting for a project that began in 1986, some 35 years later. That's finally been completed, and we're finally getting to see the results of the restoration, and they're wonderful. But being on the Audubon board for all these years has enabled me to keep up with what's going on, monitor it, and then through the Audubon staff be able to have some small influence on what is going on.